How to paint from beginner to master, still life painting. Course overview. The course is 1 hour and 50 minutes in full HD quality and should take you between 1 and 2 weeks to complete, depending on how many hours you put into it daily. For those of you who prefer reading, there is a subtitle option to address multiple learning styles. The still life you paint will be based on a high-quality, print-ready photo reference I'll supply you. I've streamlined the materials and chosen only the bare minimum you'll need to save you money, so this course requires the absolute minimal supplies necessary to create an oil painting. The course consists of 12 lessons. Lesson 1 is the supply list. I'll tell you what supplies to buy and make suggestions to save you money. I'll give you a chart explaining what each brush does, as well as a list of what the best mediums and cleaners are. In Lesson 2, Getting Set Up, I'll talk a little about the materials you'll be using and walk you through all the necessary preparations to start a painting, step by step. I paint on illustration board in the tutorials, but feel free to use Canvas if you prefer. In Lesson 3, I'll teach you the best approach to doing a drawing specifically for a painting, and you'll learn an easy system to get your drawing right every time. In Lesson 4, Mixing the Grayscale, you'll learn how to mix a 10-value grayscale, which I'll walk you through step by step. Lesson 5 is dedicated to helping you comprehend how the grayscale works. The grayscale is a powerful tool, and once you've learned how to use it, you'll never see painting or any image the same again. In Lesson 6, I'll walk you through the fundamentals of blocking in and underpainting step by step. Lesson 6 also includes an illustrated lesson on setting up and lighting your work area. In Lesson 7, Mixing the Green Scale, I'll walk you through mixing a scale of the color green from its darkest to lightest value. As an added bonus, in Lesson 8, I'll teach you how to mix every color imaginable or match a color that you're trying to copy, using a new system based on the Riley method that simplifies color scales so that anyone can easily mix them. No confusing color wheels that give you muddy colors. In Lesson 9, you'll begin painting the first color coat on your still life. I'll teach you how to control painting colors using a process of painting in opaque layers. In Lesson 10, you'll learn a system to painting in layers and how to leverage that system to easily manage and make corrections in your work. In Lesson 11, Painting Detail, you'll learn how to easily add incredible detail to a painting without all the incredible patience. And finally, in Lesson 12, Finishing a Painting, you'll learn how to varnish and give your painting a museum-quality finished look.